Have you ever seen drone racing? It's pretty intense, but most of us can't do that. We want something that's quick, easy, and a lot of fun to fly. Well, a while back I showed you guys a really fun drone, the Jetpack Commander, and now they have a new version of it, the Jetpack Commander XL. And this thing's only 60 bucks, and you'll be amazed at what it could do. The new Jetpack Commander is 50% bigger than the original version, and it comes in these different styles that you see here, the blue figure, red, and black. And then they have a few decals that you go and place on it to customize it a little bit, make it your own. It comes with the transmitter, an instruction sheet, a Phillips screwdriver so you could access the back of the radio, install your own AAA batteries, and then a USB charger. And the battery pack inside it comes out so you could have a couple packs and keep on flying. But this is a pretty cool setup. They changed the look a lot. They used to have the propellers down in the back and up top, and they've just reconfigured this whole thing. It looks a lot better in this configuration. I like how they have prop guards on here. It's really easy to access the battery through this top hatch. And then on the back, you've got a on and off button. Now the radio system, this is where you could control the fun. It has an auto takeoff button, so you turn the radio system on, you arm it by toggling the throttle up and down, hit the button again, and then it will take off, and it'll actually go up 4 feet in the air and just hover there. You don't have to touch the sticks and you're already flying. And then the thumbsticks will allow you to go and maneuver it around. There's some fine digital trims. We've got a rate switch, and then up top here is where the fun really starts. It's got a flip button and a turbo button. So you hit this flip button, and depending on how you move the stick, left or right, up or down, it will flip in that direction. And then the turbo button, you hit that, it accelerates the speed of the Jetpack Commander. I just suggest doing that once you get a handle on this thing. All right, I'm gonna go throw the battery on charge, and we're gonna fly it.
Throttle down, throttle stick down. So you flip. Nice. Man down.
I was a big fan of the original Jetpack Commander, but I really like the tweaks that they made to the XL. I like the different color choices, I think the size is much better, and I like that you can remove the battery packs and even get a spare. My kids had an absolute blast flying these. They picked it up right away, and their favorite function is of course the flip function. I think these are a good value for some quick flying fun. I'll have some links in the video description for you.